हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल CNC प्रोग्रामिंग एंड डाइमोड। और हम लोग वी आर लास्ट टाइम वी हैव डन दिस एक्सट्रूड कमांड, सो टुडे वी विल प्रैक्टिस दिस object by using extrude command. So we have two view in this object, and this is front view and one top view, and this is my isometric view. So I will start with the front view. So let's start this. Let's start with the sketcher, and I have selected this front plane and just correct the orientation, and we will start with this circle. So just click over the circle, and the diameter of the circle is 19, so I will click 19 as a diameter, and again one more circle is there, that is 22 diameter. The diameter of second circle is 22, so I have type as 22 and click over the same center. But this is 22 is the radius, so 44 will be the diameter, and click OK. Now I will start with this profile tool, and it is somewhere here. Just start, and again a arc is there, so just start with the line and click, and now I will draw this arc. Click, and this is okay. Now click, and both are tangent. Let's leave it. Achha, now we will dimension this. So take this rapid dimension, and the value between this is 57, and this is 36, and the radius of the circle is 67, and center of the circle, and this is distance is 69.7, and the end of this arc and this line distance will be 83.7. Just undo. First I have to mention the height. So height is coming with these two values, and now this point, and the center is 65.3, and the top now, and this become 83, it is correct. No need to mention this. Just close and delete this one. Now I will maintain tangent between these two arcs. Close, and just trim this extra portion of the arc. Only thing is remaining is circle, one more circle. Center is center point. This is the center, and the diameter will be 13, and only one thing, this is on left, so I will start this with the center. So just choose this with the help of center, click inside and click, and this value become 22. Or first I will specify tangent and convert this line as a reference. Now I will define this gap as 22, and this will and the radius is 6.5. and click again, wrap it center, and the base distance is 18. This is correct, no need to specify. And I'm going to trim all this, whatever the extra portion I have shown here. So my sketch is fully constrained. 36 and enter. Just click OK. Now finish, and this time I will extrude it 29. Extrude this infra curve, symmetric value, and the half of 29 is 14.5, and click OK. So this is the object, and we have two more things to do. I'm going to sketch on this plane for this cut. This is a rectangular cut, and just horizontally align and coincide this. Now dimension this. This is 13 and depth is 38, and now close and finish this, and this time I will cut this. Okay, now only this portion is left, so let's cut this portion. Now this time I will select this face for my next sketch, and first I will project this curve, this and this curve. I'm going to project these three curves with this circle. Now just draw a circle, or don't specify with this previous circle, this previous center. Just click, and now I am going to click this, and now just trim whatever the extra portion we have in my sketch. And yeah, this is time to specify. This is 56, and this value is from this point and to this, and this is my 56 gap. And the radius of the circle is 29 as a radius, and on the center is left. So I will select all these two and make them coincident, and just trim the extra curves and this, and this is time to cut this portion, and this will be cut only in one direction, and the value is -6, and subtract it and click OK and hide this. Now I will mirror this extruded portion and click OK. So my object is ready. Hope you understand it properly. For any queries, any problems, if you face any problem, just comment and I will try to solve all these problems. So thank you for watching, and please keep watching and subscribe my channel.